Hi everyone, welcome to the Cozy Hook. We're a mother-daughter team sharing our crochet adventures, one cozy stitch at a time. Today we're feeling festive and excited to show you how to make this simple crochet Christmas tree ornament. Leaving a long tail. Start with a basic single crochet stitch, then make a slip stitch. Chain 2 and pull your hook through the first stitch to create a chain. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Insert your hook into the last chain you made, yarn over, and pull through both loops again. Repeat this process until you have 72 single crochets. Form the strand into a zigzag shape. From the top, insert your needle and pull it through the center of your work. Make sure to secure your stitches and weave in any loose strands. Using the leftover yarn, create a hanging loop by working a few simple chain stitches. Now switch to your brown yarn. With your tree facing upright, start in the first of the 3 center stitches. Chain 2, make 1 single crochet in the 3rd stitch, then another single crochet. Chain 2 again, and work 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. Finish off and secure your ends. If you want to add flair, adding beads does give off a pretty finish. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any tips or suggestions to help us improve, we'd really love to hear them in the comments. We're just getting started, so any feedback is greatly appreciated.